Welcome to our guide, how to use Pinterest trends properly. Whether you are a small business owner, content creator, or a marketer like me, Pinterest trends can be your secret tool to stay ahead of the curve. Most of the Pinterest users are great at planning things and finding ideas. That's why they save boards, which is why they save pins into their board. If you want your content to land on your audience boards, there is one tool can help you the most, which is Pinterest trends. I'm going to share my screen and take you through the step-by-step process how you can use Pinterest trends very easily and rank your every single content on the top. So as you can see, we have come at our profile. As you can see, we have 1.4k of followers and 52,000 monthly view. So if I just little go using Pinterest only trends, then we got that much of result. Then you can gain it very easily. We got this result in last 10 or 15 days. So if we just go and click on the overview, so then you will get an understanding how we build it. As you can see, in 20th October our growth was very low, and suddenly our growth became so high. I was just studying the case. That's how Pinterest trends perform very well. So that I can let you know, guys, if you apply Pinterest trends properly, then you can get that much of growth very easily. As you can see, our growth 64,000. It will grow more, and it's growing rapidly, as you can see here. And how we can do this, so let's see how you can find the best keywords from Pinterest trends. We're gonna click on the right side again, and we will reach to Pinterest trends again. And as you can see, according to United States, we got something. So here are some of the last month. As you can see, this month this was the toppest boards. As you can see, there is the top always. So as you can see, pumpkin carving idea, fell nails, pumpkin painting ideas. As you know, there's the Halloween was few days ago. That's why people are searching related to Halloween too much. And if we go a little bit down, we can see the top keywords for this year, and we can find out. As you can see, the keyword was rapidly growing. So if you are putting your eyes always on the trend, so that you can understand that which keywords are going upward, which keywords are going upward. So yeah, as you can see, all of the keywords. And if we just simply go and search related to our niche, as you can see, we have written here BBQ pizza, and you can see the BBQ pizza trends are going pretty well. BBQ chicken pizza are going well. Right now it's falling a little bit, but if we scroll down a little more, we can see there's the BBQ. If we wanted to add a few more, let's say BBQ pizza recipe. So if we search BBQ pizza recipe here, as you can see, the BBQ pizza recipe, this one is coming, and this one is going a little down. BBQ chicken pizza are working well, but it's little down a little bit. So we are just search pizza here. As you can see, the pizza recipes are working well, so it's going little upward, and right now it's working well, but it's going little down. Pizza recipes also, it was good there, and it's got little down here, but pizza recipe homemade, it's performing well. So if we just click, as you can see, this one is going upward. As you can see, it was in 2023, and it was performing little low, but day after day it was growing very well. So definitely, if you use this keyword, your pins also gonna get views very easily. So definitely, if you use this keyword on your pin, definitely your pin gonna get so much view. And at the top bottom, as you can see, there is a related trends. As you can see, these homemade pizza ideas, this was also going well. Easy homemade pizza is also going well. So as you can see, from there we can got so much suggestion where we can pick every single keywords and add it to our keyword. So from there we can choose every single keywords and add it to our pin, so that our pin can rank on the top. So I'm gonna show you another way where you can find the best keyword very easily. It's a small gift from my end. So we just need to go in search and click. We just need to go in search and write anything about, let's say, barbecue pizza. So we have written it, barbecue pizza. Click here, all pins. Here's the wonderful thing. So as you can see, barbecue pizza recipe, and here Pinterest suggesting us so many keywords which is people are searching. So we can pick here. so many keywords which is help you to grow your pin very easily. You can easily just, as you can see, pizza recipe, homemade pizza recipe, vegetarian, chicken. So we from here you can choose one of it very easily. So here we as you can see, pizza recipes, homemade. So if you wanted to add few more things, if you want to make your keyword little more stronger, so here as you can see, we have two new option here, which is chicken and toppings. So we can add here toppings names. First of all, we can add here chicken also. So as we have chicken option here, so we can add barbecue chicken pizza, or and then we can add toppings anywhere there's any kinds of toppings names. You can use it for sure. If you use Pinterest trends properly, like the one I have shown you, and put the best keyword to your pin, I can ensure you're gonna get the top view in your pins. If you have any question regarding Pinterest trends or Pinterest, I am open. I'm offering free 20 minutes of free consultancy. You can connect with me anytime.